Now, after you've added your machine, your post, and your tool file, and if you haven't done that, go back to the last video and do that, it's time to set up machines in Fusion. So we're going to come on to Setup Apron, click the little radio button, double click on the file folder, not the name, and it's time to set up the machine right here. So we're going to hit select on the machine. You're going to have to, it's going to come up and it's going to say nothing's here. You're going to have to go to Cloud. And it says Axiom 24 by 24, and it's got this little red exclamation point. And that's perfectly fine. We're going to fix that here in a second. It says the file is not found for the post, which is fine. We're going to click on that and hit Edit. It's going to open up a new window. We're going to go down to Post Processing on the left-hand side, where it says Post. You're going to click the File Folder button, and you're going to pick the Post Rich or Axiom Rich Auto DPS, and hit Select. And now it's in there, and hit OK, and it says Post is correct, and hit the check mark, and hit Select. And now our Axiom machine is in there, and we're going to hit OK. You can also see the Axiom machine popped up here. We need to do this for the other two setups. So we're going to double click on the next setup, select the machine. The post is already in, it sees that. Hit select, OK. Now we got this Axiom machine there again, and then the final one, select, Axiom, select, OK. Now we have the Axiom, and the Axiom, and we're all set up with our machines, with our correct post. Now, the final step is tool pathing and posting our file.